Let us talk about one of the most important aspects of System IO, and this part is called the sales page. However, when we are talking about sales page, there are components of sales page that people rarely talk about. Now, let me explain to you what a sales page is. A sales page is that part of the website that people go to. For instance, this is a sales page of System IO. When you come to this particular page, you get to see what System IO offer, and eventually you can put in your email, click here, and you get started. Then from there, you go down the channel, right? Now, let me tell you something. In any sales page or any sales funnel, there's an important aspect of it. It's called the opt-in page, right? Without the opt-in page, it will be difficult for you to literally engage with the sales page, because you need to give something. When the user comes, the user needs to put in his or her email and also be able to submit that information so that you can have the contact and follow up with that. The question is, how does System IO handle these pages, right? This opt-in page. And that is what I want to show you in this particular review video. Let me show you how to create an opt-in page and how it aligns with every other thing. Let's hop onto System IO. When you are on your System IO account, the first thing you want to do is to locate this place here called the site. Right on the site, you will click Sales Funnel. Once you click Sales Funnel, it will bring you to this particular interface. On this interface, you will go and create. When you are creating, the most important thing is for you to choose which one you are going to start with, because if you choose this, you will not see an opt-in page. That's it. If you choose this, you won't see an opt-in page. So you must choose build an audience, especially if you're a beginner. You want to always use a template. So let's go. Let me say demo, just for the sake of this video. Then I already select my currency here, US dollars. Then I will click save. Now when I click save, it will appear here for me. I will just click inside. Let's see what happens inside of System IO opt-in pages and how easy it is compared to other platforms. The first thing here, you will see an opt-in page. Then you will now see template of other opt-in page, right? You see the template of other opt-in pages. So all you need to do is just select any one of them, depending on what you are building, right? Depending on what you are selling or what you want to do with the contact. If it's for product, digital product, or you have a physical store, whatever it is, you can just select what you want. So let me just select this one. When I select this, it brings me here. Now the next thing is to customize it. Opt-in page for what? Maybe let's say I have a product called P-type, right? So you just put in there and it will automatically save for you. Now, first thing, I just look into the funnel. Let me just see how does it look like. So now I can see we have everything here. We have it. It's like almost a complete page, right? With all other information. Now, the next thing is customization. I'm not going to talk about customization right now. I just want you to understand the concept of the opt-in page. Look at here, where you can put your email and just click send. That is the purpose of the opt-in page. That is what an opt-in page is. If you are focusing on opt-in page, in most cases, you will not need any of these things. So, for instance, if I just want an opt-in page to just collect user information, and that's all, I don't want to show them any information here, I will have to go into System IO and I will remove all these things, right? Let me show you what I mean. Now we have seen how it looks like. We like it. We can now go into edit page. In our edit page, we click edit. We will now see the entire page of this opt-in page. So now that we see the entire page of this opt-in page, what we want to do is this. You want to now customize it. Like I said, if all you need is just this place, you don't need other part of it, you can just delete them. Now let me show you. I will just come here like this. See all this part here? Just come here, click delete. Alright, you don't need them. Delete. Just delete everything that I don't need in the opt-in page. And I will show you another way to go about it. If you don't want to delete, there is a way to switch the opt-in page to look for something that looks closer to what you are looking for. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just delete everything since we are creating opt-in page. And this is also one of the cons on System IO platform, that the opt-in pages, they look more of landing page, right? but you want to have an opt-in page that is just an opt-in page with little or no information to it. Now we've deleted all these things, you see, with what we have now. Let's bring back the footer. Let's go back. If you delete something and you want to go back, you can just come here, go back here. Yes, we have the footer back, right? So we just want to delete just this part here. So we come here, delete this. Also, we delete this. Now we have this. Now this place is empty. We don't need to have anything inside of it. Now you see, you are left with this. All you need to do is to customize this place. Just turn it to p-type. So all you need here is to now come. You can, once you are here, you can just change whatever thing you want to change. Edit this part here, right? So to what you want, click on here too, and you can just edit whatever thing you want to edit here too. Just do the same thing. Just delete, Control A, or whatever thing you're using, just delete, and just have your text the way you want it, right? And change the colors. So that is how to create an opt-in page in your system IO. And I think compared to ClickFunnels, it's kind of easier, except that ClickFunnels have more templates, right? But it's very easy to create. So that's one good thing about it. And if you don't want it to have all these things, you can just delete it. You can just delete here. Now let's go back. Let's just save this, and let's go back to the main page. Click save, click exit. Now when you are here in your opt-in page, remember, anytime you create an opt-in page in System IO, it comes with a thank you page by default for you, right? So you can click here and select which of the thank you page suited for what you are doing. The same thing, just select it. So we just come here and we can just select what we want. We click here and it's selected. P-type, thank you. By this, it should just save automatically. Remember, you don't need to have space, just one word, P-type, and it's saved. Now when somebody go to your opt-in page, right, sign up for it, click submit, it will bring him here straight. Let's check it out so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let's click here, click on the opt-in page, then go to view funnel. When you're inside of your funnel, just put in your email here and say contact us. Automatically brings us here. So it brings you to your thank you page, and that is how to create your opt-in inside of system.io. Very simple and straight to the point. Now, one thing you need to pay attention to is this, right? An opt-in page is not the same thing with a landing page, right? They serve different purposes. And also, an opt-in page is not the same thing with an order form where you actually get to make payment, or your users get to make payment for your goods and services. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create an order form.